All right, guys, so I'm currently at the Apple Store, and we're gonna check out the iPhone 16. iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Plus, iPhone 16 Pro, and the iPhone 16 Pro Max with that fancy camera button. So let's check it out. Can I do it with one hand? Oh, you have to press it. I thought it was haptic. It's... Oh, so you hold it and it's freaking video. Can you zoom in right away? Okay, zoom. This is one-handed while the other hand's recording. Wait, you can only do 5x on this thing? What? That's crazy. $25x. All the way out to 0.5. So this is interesting. There's this new grid. So this is interesting in camera. There's this new grid feature on the top right for like undertones. Oh, is it like, oh, you can adjust the brightness right there? Oh, that's so cool. And then take the picture. Oh, so if you wanted to go off live mode, you want to go to maps, you just wanted to do like that and adjust it bright, and then take a picture. Okay, that's not bad. All right, let's see a photo comparison difference between the iPhone 15 Pro and the iPhone 16 Pro. Actually, do people use that? Okay, look, I'm gonna try and use it right now. Oh, that was fast. That was fast. No, you have to wait till the screen activates. Okay, so it's a double tap. Right now the screen's off, so you have to double tap. Okay? Because if you just tap it once, like this, it doesn't bring you to the camera, it just activates the screen. So you actually have to double tap. So, but now let's take a picture. It looks though that the picture is in, okay, so you see this ratio right here, 4:3. We don't want that, we want 16:9. See how it fills up the screen? So now this is actually gonna be a fair picture. So this is the iPhone. This is the iPhone 16 Pro taking a picture right now of the this is the iPhone 16 Pro taking a picture of the AirPods Pro Max in 16:9 ratio. Okay, done. Now I'm gonna switch on over to the iPhone 15 Pro. So here's my iPhone. So here's my iPhone 15 Pro. We're gonna take a picture. You can see it's in 16:9 ratio. I'm gonna click like right there as well. And it's in night mode, that's why the screen looks a little bit different. And I'm gonna text these pictures all to myself and then compare and contrast the two on my M1 MacBook Air. But so far off the bat, it's like, whoa, I mean, look at these guys. And I'm recording this video right now on the iPhone 15 Pro, which is why there's this wire here. Well, not 15 Pro. I'm recording this video right now on the iPhone 16 Pro, which is why there's this wire here. But look, this is super cool. Apple Intelligence. I mean, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is $1,200 a month, or you can get it for $50 a month for 24 months. Yeah. This is cool too. The editing features are completely different. They've completely redesigned everything on iOS 18. Like between the volume button being there on the right instead of at the bottom, you know, moving it back and forth seems a little bit smoother. And then the adjustment buttons are all there. It's very interesting. Just in case you're gonna be editing it this way, this is how it looks as well on the iPhone 16 Pro. And then one last thing, I gotta go because they're closing. Check this, on the top left of the camera when you're shooting horizontal or when you're shooting vertical, in 4K, it's not only just, so check this, on the iPhone 16 Pro, when you're shooting 4K, it's not just 30 frames per second, it's not just 60 frames per second, it's now 120 frames per second. and 24 frames per second, which is the usual. This is great because the iPhone 15 Pro does not have 120 frames per second. So now you can shoot even more higher quality footage and play back slower. On the left, you can see the picture I took with my iPhone 15 Pro where I clicked roughly around here to focus, and then the same for the iPhone 16 Pro where I clicked roughly around here to focus. So basically this side, and the pictures look drastically different. The iPhone 15 Pro, these appear dark, the earmuffs appear dark, whereas for the iPhone 16 Pro, it's drastically lighter. So it's like if you were to, it's like I can't even, know where to start. So here I have them open side by side. This is the 15 Pro. Let's zoom in. Here is where I touched on the screen to focus. Same thing with right here. Basically the same. It is literally basically the same. If anything though, it seems like the 15 Pro has a better camera. That's weird. Like, look at this. You can see the detail at the corners here and here. This is the 15 Pro. Whereas on the 16 Pro, look at this. You get lost blurriness right there, and then the detail here. So that's interesting. Now let's see if on the AirPods Pro Max, the top part, there seems to be better detail here in the 16 Pro on the shiny part of the head, and then blurry on the 15. So they're almost pretty much the same. One more. Let's zoom in on this dial. Yeah, there seems to be more detail on the 15 Pro. So you saw 2 votes for the 15 Pro, 1 vote for the 16 Pro. This seems to be where, from what I've seen in 1 to 2 YouTube videos of the iPhone 16 Pro camera, some people are saying that the 15 Pro camera was actually better and that the 16 Pro camera was a downgrade. So I haven't watched, transparency, I have not watched the iPhone 16 Pro keynote. I was way too busy to watch it, but after testing it, it feels cooler in terms of all the new technology, which I'm going to release in a different video of me playing with the iPhone 16 Pro camera, video settings, photo settings, etc. But in terms of just this rudimentary hands-on, you saw they're both taken in 16:9 ratio, vertical. And you saw I clicked on roughly the same